the somewhat bad parts for the car. Let's see what I've done in the 2 years that I've owned it. I shaved the engine bay and I think it came out pretty good.
1 minute I'm done with you, the next one I be running back. Go your way, I go my way, but somehow we be still attached. Trying to find my ounces with this cup, but ain't no truth in it. They be like I'm done for fucking with you, I spend stupid racks. I'm sitting here knowing I don't need you, pouring O's in the lid, sipping, chasing with my reef. Can't get my mind on Waukesha. Watch me put my heart in this cup. In my feelings, she my therapist, I'ma talk to this cup, I swear.
The fact that I got the engine bay shaved, I did a little bit of body work on the fenders, and I got myself some Megan Racing coilovers, and did some undercoating on the car, nice and black under here.
Say ooh.
Started sanding down the door to go through the same process as the fenders, and soon to have more work done on the rear fenders. Interior on this car is an entirely different story.
Next one I be running back. Go your way, I go my way, but somehow we be still attached. Trying to find my ounces with this cup, but ain't no truth in it. They be like I'm done for fucking with you, I spend stupid racks. I'm sitting here knowing I don't need you, pouring O's in the lid, sipping, chasing with my reef. Can't get my mind on Waukesha. Watch me put my heart in this cup. In my feelings, she my therapist, I'ma talk to this cup, I swear.
Should pick that cup back up.
This is where shit got kind of messy. You know, I attempted to cut a plate. It was a nice cut. The plate was an amazing cut, but the welding on the other hand.
You wanna check this shit out?
Nah, bro, you been coming for that long, bro. We cool. Nah, we cool. We cool. I ain't need it. I ain't gonna lie, you fucked that nigga up, man. That nigga shit fucked, man. Oh, shit.
Let y'all be the judge of that. Y'all be the judge of that. So next episode should be seeing this thing on the ground. Hopefully we have a surprise for the wheel choice that I'm going with this car. Wheel choice is gonna be crazy. Y'all are gonna go insane when you, well, probably if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, which can be right here, y'all see what wheels I got, but these wheels are gonna be insane.
Drink it.